Hey everybody, welcome to the Auto Body Advocate channel where I give you a helpful video just like this one each week. In this video I want to talk about you running around to auto body shops all day long, getting multiple estimates, and how I think you can save some time. The first thing to consider here is your vehicle safe to drive? I've seen people running around from body shop to body shop getting estimates when they can't even buckle their own seatbelt. Or maybe you're driving from body shop to body shop with some damage to your vehicle that could actually cause more damage to your vehicle. Maybe you're driving around with some suspension damage, or you're driving around missing some fluids. That could actually cause more damage to your vehicle while you're running around trying to get estimates and finding the best price. So think about your safety and the condition of your vehicle before you go driving it around to get estimates. The next point I want to make here is, are you price shopping for you, or are you price shopping for the insurance company? Or are you price shopping for the person that ran into your vehicle? You don't want to be price shopping for somebody else. You want to shop for what's important to you, not what's important to the other person, which is obviously saving themselves money. You want to have your car repaired properly, and you want to find a shop that you can trust. This isn't necessarily the lowest cost shop. So don't go shopping just to satisfy everybody else. Go shopping for what's important to you. Which brings me to my next point. The insurance company doesn't get to pick where you fix your car. You do. In the state where I live, the insurance company may not require that you have your repairs done at any particular repair shop. If you let the person that hit you or the insurance company decide where you have your vehicle fixed, they're going to pick the shop that's going to be the best for them. And that might not be the shop that's best for you.
My Uncle Rico has a shop in his garage and he can totally fix it for you.
Just remember, you're in charge here. You get to decide what's best for you and your vehicle. If you already have a shop that you know and trust, a shop that you've done work with in the past, and you know you're going to have your car repaired there, there's no reason for you to run out and get other estimates. Have your vehicle repaired at the shop you already trust. Sometimes you don't even need an estimate. An estimate doesn't fix your car, and what you really need is to have your car fixed. If your insurance company has given you the okay to get your repairs done, you can drop that vehicle off at a shop so they can get it disassembled. Then they can write up an estimate after disassembly and get approval from your insurance company at that point. You don't actually have to run around getting estimates before you take your vehicle and let your shop take over the repair for you. You can run around to 10 different shops and get 10 estimates. They're all going to be a little bit different, but we all use one of the three major estimating systems, and even one of these estimating systems is the most popular. You're actually probably going to get a bunch of estimates that are almost exactly the same. So you're going to run around thinking you're getting something different when all you're getting is a bunch of little estimate clones. If you do have to do a little price shopping, or you're concerned about something in particular, like maybe you really want an alignment on your vehicle, just let the body shop know, and they're going to be able to then address that issue with you instead of just running around and getting estimates, not telling anybody what you're looking for. If you let the shop know, the shops are going to be able to address your concerns and solve them for you. You're going to have to go to less places. Keep in mind as you're shopping for estimates that an estimate is just that. It's not the actual cost of repairs to your vehicle. It's an estimate. They may bring the vehicle in and get it disassembled and find more damage. An estimate is only as thorough as the person writing it. If that estimator is an inexperienced estimator, or they're too busy to take the time to look at your vehicle thoroughly, or they're too lazy to write you a good estimate, that estimate may be lower than the actual repair cost. So you might run around getting a bunch of estimates, go with the cheapest, but that might not be the actual cheapest cost of repair for your vehicle. Tell me in the comments below if you've ever gotten an estimate and then your vehicle went in for the repairs and it ended up being something totally different. So what I'm really saying in this video is, don't go shopping for estimates. Go shopping for a body shop. Find the place that you trust, the place that's going to take care of you and take care of your vehicle the best. This may not necessarily be the shop that gives you the cheapest estimate. In many cases, you're not the one paying for the repair. It's the insurance company or the other party that hit you. So don't go shopping for estimates. Shop for a shop that you can trust. And if you want to learn how to read those estimates that you're getting, I've got a video on how to read your estimate. Link will be in the description. Watch a few videos and subscribe to keep informed. Ring that bell to be notified when I release a new video for you every week. Leave a comment or a question so I can engage with you, and like and share if you felt this video might help someone else. And remember, even good drivers have bad accidents. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, welcome to the Auto About, just like this one. The best way I think more damage to your car than, or maybe you're missing some fluids so you've got to decide the shop that's gonna do, or the person that hit you, they're gonna pick the shop. You can take the shop to you can take the vehicle to the shop that you want. After disassembly, an estimate doesn't fix your car. Estimates are just estimates. It's the insurance company that actually the place that's just going to take care of the best, that's going to give you getting a bunch of estimates. You don't have to shop for estimates. The shop that you think is going to fix your car. If you do this, you've instead of, thanks for sticking, and like the video too, so leave a comment and share, or like to engage with, that's terrible. To get a new video from me every week, then share it, like and share it, comment, question, I don't know, and subscribe to